Tracy here from Uniquely Creative, showing you what is in our December box. This is our new look box. It's got a new picture and it's a little bit taller than our other one, so we can fit some higher and bigger products in there for you. Let's have a look at what's in December. Let's start with this. This is the Grand Bazaar Collectibles from Craft. There are two lots of little sweet flowers, just tiny little ones, just to add a little bit of texture and accent. There is some beautiful wooden, I don't know, trellis frame type things. They're very cute, ornate frames. Some blue ink and a cute little stencil to use your ink with. This is like a honeycomby type pattern laser cut, and we've left all these little guys in there so that you can pop them out and use them if you want to. There is some denim fabric, so this is actual denim fabric. It's very nice. Some cork, adhesive cork. Some more little elements here. These are kind of like little metal elements. They're really sweet too, to kind of go with this Persian themed kit. There is some glitz and glamour, gorgeous gold glitz, and the magazine. So this is a really beautiful gender neutral one, perfect for boys. All of your instructions are in here, layouts in the front and cards in the back. So your magazine comes in the box. Cute little cut apart sheet. Some corrugated cardstock. And a couple of sheets of this here, which is a very popular paper. So 2 sheets of that. Some craft. And I think this one is called Shadow, this navy one. A lucky last thing in the box is the paper pack. So the paper pack is in the kit. Let's take a look at some of the layouts that you can make with this kit. We've used 2 add-on dies. One of them is this guy at the top here, which is like a little ornate door that the doors open on. And the other one is this one here, which is like a Persian lattice, which actually cuts out this frame and this one there. So lots of cute little things. Talking about the boys, look at this cute one by Rachel. Rachel's done some darling layouts with this. I love this. This is just beautiful. And this one, I love that. I just love it. I just love how different it is. Perfect for boys, but girls too, anyone. This is a fabulous kit. Alicia McNamara has joined us, and this is adorable with all these doors. I just love that. I love everything about this kit. I must admit, I wasn't a fan of this collection when I first saw it, but the richness of the colours in this kit have come up so beautifully. I really do love it. That was Yvette. Yvette has done some stuff for us too. That's that door upside down. Beautiful. Fabulous photo. Great layout. Just love it. And then this is just an extra bonus one, because there is 11 layouts here, and like we're only meant to give you 8. Girls just couldn't stop. Look at these cards. Aren't they fabulous? So this is that Persian lattice die. Isn't that stunning? I love this one. Blessed with the cross. The girls have done a great job. So the die actually has little embossed edges, so you can open it up to make these doors. Super cute. So many cards. Lots of great ideas. Let's take a look at these dies. So this is your first add-on. This is that beautiful ornate doors. It's $22. And that is a massive metal die, so that's a really great price for that one. And this is the Persian lattice, which also has this extra frame on there which you can use. So that is $15.80. So this is ready to pre-order from the 1st on our website, and it'll be shipping from the 5th. And it is Christmas, guys, so this is going to be a lot slower to get to you than what it normally will. Just take that into consideration, and we hope you enjoy it. You can buy it on our website, $49.95. Save money if you subscribe, and we will see you next time. Thanks, guys. See ya.